everybody. It's another Sunday in hot Florida. Marlette here from Handcrafted by Marlette. And I started doing these, I'm calling them the holiday minis. There'll be sparkly little earrings for the holidays. And the reason why I started doing this is I was making earrings, and the girls at work were asking for little ones because, you know, I'm a nurse and they just want small earrings. So I started to do these, and this is what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you how to do it. So first of all, I had some scrap clay because I did a series with black and silver. So now this is kind of like pewter and silver. It's got the sparkles in it. But it's okay because we're going to cut from there. And we're going to cover it. And I'm going to show you what I need, what we're going to do. I'm going to cut. Got it. I want it to stick to the tile. Get a better, cleaner cut when it gets to stick to the tile. There we go. Well, one out of 4 ain't bad, I guess. Okay. So we're going to take these and we're going to paint it with this black gel nail polish. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to make 6 pair. I cut out and we added the black gel nail polish. And what we're going to do next is we're going to take some dish soap and water. I put some in this little container. And we're going to add bubbles on top of here. These little earrings like this are pretty, and they also work well for little girls because of the size, and they sparkle. They sparkle real pretty. Okay, so we're going to cover it up with the bubbles. We're going to put it in the UV lamp for a couple minutes. Okay, so I took them out. I blotted off the extra water, and this is what they look like. You can see the little. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these in the oven for 275 for an hour, and then I'll show you what we do for the next step. Alright, so we took these out of the oven and we're going to paint them. Now what I recommend are the Luminaire by Jacquard. These are beautiful metallic paints, acrylic. I do apologize for my chair squeaking. I've tried WD-40, I've tried everything on it, but nothing works. No, since I already have some pink and some blue done, and some blue-green, I think I'm going to do, let's do this one. I'm going to do some different ones here. Halo Violet Gold. We're going to shake it up. I also have it in the bigger form. But I bought this on Amazon. only on my, oh my God, that's crazy. All right, so I've done pink, I've done blue green, I've done black silver. So we're gonna do, actually, this is like a Halo Violet Gold. And I like to incorporate different stuff with it, so. Use some Halo Violet Gold. Ooh, that looks more gold than violet right now. You can always pull out some other kind of paint. But, put a little bit more in there. It's always deceiving too, what you see. Not always what you see is what you get. You know what I mean? Alright. And let's see what else we got. Pull out my water. Gonna go with some pewter. Shake it up good. And let's see what else we can pick. Halo Blue Gold. Let's try that one. I love this one. These got like, it shifts. You know what I mean? It's got a shifting. Alright, so we're going to let these dry. And then we are going to, I'm going to put some of this resin on it. And we'll pop it into the UV lamp. This is what makes them pop. And it's funny because once you get the resin on them, it changes. Oh, I love these pewter ones. Beautiful. And these violet gold ones, they look more like rose gold to me. Maybe I didn't shake up the paint enough, but... make sure you get everything covered. Alright. There you have it. And we're going to put these under the UV light for like 20 minutes. Okay, so we got our earrings out of the UV lamp. And we're looking like this. Of course, as always, I'll have the still shots. Close-up still shots at the end. So I hope you got something out of this video. I hope you like and subscribe and all that stuff. And I will definitely show you the end results in some really nice close-ups. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for your time. See you next time.